Hi everyone, welcome once again to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert any of your JPEG file to PDF. So the past videos I've been getting a lot of requests from people asking me to show them how to get a PDF format, especially for those who are trying to upload certain documents while trying to register their business with CAC. So if you're one of those persons who had the challenge with uploading some of the documents while trying to upload some of the required documents with CAC, this video is for you. And even if you're not doing that and probably you're trying to be able to create a PDF easily, this video is also for you. Now, whatever I'm about to show you now is something you can do using your smartphone as well. So make sure you just follow the same process as I'm going to show you using my PC. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your browser and you're going to search for, just type JPEG to PDF, and you see this particular website is going to come up. It's called I Love PDF. So you see convert JPEG to PDF, images, JPEG to PDF online. So I'm just going to click on this particular website and then they'll ask me to select the images I want to convert to PDF. So I already have some scanned documents in JPEG format, and I want to combine every one of them into one PDF. So these are the documents, and I'm going to just select all of them. I'm going to select all, and then I say open. So here I'm going to select the page size, which is this is A4. If I do not want to use A4 size, I want to say okay, they should fit. That is, they should be same page size as the image. I'm going to select this. If I do not want that, I'm going to say, okay, I want it to be A4 size. So you can see here, just leave it the way it is. And then you see margin, I'm going to say let it be a small margin, okay? And then if you want to merge each of them into one PDF, you just make sure that this particular aspect is ticked. If you do not want that, that is, you want each of the JPEGs to be on their own PDF, like this birth certificate should be a PDF on its own, FLC should be a PDF on its own, then you untick this particular stuff you're seeing here. But I do not want that. I want everything to be in one place so it's easy for me to share for the purpose with which I'm doing the PDF. Do you understand? So the next thing I want to do is to click on convert to PDF, and I'm going to allow it to finish converting. You see here, I have my download PDF already. So the next thing I want to do is just download my PDF. Okay, so you see now I'm going to open the file to see how it is. So you can see everything now is now in PDF format. So that's how to convert your JPEG to PDF format. I hope this is clear, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Share this video as well. If you know someone who is struggling with getting this thing done, share this video right now. So there are other amazing things that you can actually do on this particular platform aside from converting JPEG to PDF. So you can merge one or two PDFs together, and you can actually arrange them the way you want. Okay, so this platform is amazing. I love it. I've been using it for quite a long time. So under this convert PDF, you see here, you can convert your Word document to PDF. You can convert your PDF to Word, PDF to JPEG. So if you have a PDF file and you actually want to convert it to JPEG, you can do that as well. Isn't that nice? So you can see PDF to Excel, you see PDF to PowerPoint, you see HTML to PDF, you see PDF to PDF/A, you see Excel to PDF. So many things that you can actually do with it. So it's really, really an amazing tool. Trust me. Then you see all PDFs too. You see compressed PDF. So in case you are trying to share a PDF online and the file size is too much, or they told you it shouldn't be more than 300 KB or more than 200 KB, you can actually come to this platform and shrink that particular file. Okay, sounds nice, right? And if you want to add watermark also, you can do that. If you want to add page numbers, you want to rotate it, you want to scan your PDF, you want to scan to PDF, you want to organize PDF, you want to extract pages, you want to remove pages inside the PDF, you can do that. So this is an amazing tool, trust me. All you need to do is to just take your time and explore. Then you see this option to compress, you see option to split, you see option to merge. So if you have maybe one or two PDFs that you want to merge together, like I said before, you can combine them together and get what you want. So this platform I just showed you now is an amazing platform. So anything you want to do that has to do with compression, converting PDF and all that, just come here and explore the platform. Trust me, you will love it and thank me later. So see you in my next video. Bye for now.